Alright, hey guys, this is DMzStuntz, and here for a little tutorial today. I'm going to show you guys how to go and make a Bukkit server with one website and a couple other things. But first, what you want to do is you want to right click, go to new, go to folder, and type it pretty much anything you want. I'm just going to name it Bukkit for YouTube. Right. So once that's complete, what you can do is there is going to be a file in the description, and you have to download it. So right here, I'll just send a link in the description. It'll send you to this right here, and all you have to do is just go to recommended builds and click the top one right here, and it'll ask you if you want to download it. Just go ahead and download it, because I mean you have to if you want to build the server. And also, just for a heads up, I'm going to do this for Netgear. So just wait until that's done downloading over here, because you have to port forward in order to do this. So I have a Netgear router. It's not updated router, it's an old router, but it's just if you can't really get it set up, just look at this tutorial on how to actually make the server, and then once you want to port forward, just go look that up on YouTube, like a newer version for Netgear, if that's what you have. Anyways, once you're done downloading this, I'm gonna need this browser for later, so I'll just keep that open. Once you're done with this, you'll get a file that's named craftbukkit/1 and a whole bunch of other crap. What you want to do is you want to right click, go to rename, and name it just Craft Bukkit, and then enter. And once you're done with that, you can drag that into your folder. And also, what you want to do is you want to go open up Notepad and paste what I have in the description into the Notepad, and then go to where it says jar name right here and type in Craft Bukkit, exactly spelled. Then go to File, Save, File, Save, and then go right here where it says put file name. Name it anything really. I'm gonna name it like Start Server, and then at the end of whatever you name it, just put .bat, so .bat. Save it, and what'll happen is you'll get a file on your desktop that says start server.bat, and it's like has a whole bunch of gears in it. Then once you're done with that, you can drag that into your server. Open up your server and double click the start server, and a whole bunch of numbers will go on this right here. See, like that, and then it stops right here. It says perhaps the server is already running that port. It's normal. Just exit out of that, and you'll get 3 new folders or files right here. Now, what you want to do is you want to go into CMD. So to do that, you go into the start menu and type CMD in the bottom bar. Once this pops up, you type in IP config, so IP config. It'll load up, scroll all the way up until you find default gateway. That's for your Netgear router, and IPv4. Once you find the IPv4, what you do is you want to go to double click on server properties and type in your IPv4 into where it says server IP. So in 192.168.1.4. Now once you're done with that, you can exit out of the CMD for now, and you can save it. Now once saved, everything else just leave the same for now. Now what you want to do from here is you can keep this open if you want, but now you have to port forward in order to get this actual server to work. So to port forward, what you do is you go into this, right, whatever Internet Explorer you have, and go type in the IP. Here, just hold up. You have to type in the default gateway. Switches for Netgear, it will be most likely 192. Here, wait, 192.168.1.1. That's the default Netgear. Now, once you're here, what you do is you go to port forwarding. Slash triggering. You should have it'll ask you for a email and whatnot. Now what you want to do is pretend these aren't even here. Just delete these for now. What you want to do is you want to go to add custom service, and you can try this TCP/UDP and name it Minecraft, and then try editing the port number and then adding the IPv4, and then click apply. But mine says failure for some reason, so I got a way to bypass that. So to bypass that, what you do is you click TCP and you type in like Minecraft 1 or Minecraft A. I choose the A, like so the letters, and type in for the start and ending port 25565 and put your IPv4. Remember that. Then go to add another custom service. Next time change it to UDP and go like Minecraft B. And do the same thing, so 25565 and type in your IPv4 and click apply. There you go, got your 2. Now all you have to do is go click log out, and yes, it'll log you out of this whole thing. Then you're all set for your server. So what you do is you open it up, click start server, and it'll run smoothly this time. Everything will go right through. It won't stop. See? Just keeps on going. Will not stop at all. It will say preparing spawn area because it's a new server. So you have to wait like probably roughly 30 seconds to a minute for this whole CMD to get done. But once done, you can minimize this, go to Minecraft and play. Now, to get your friends to join in, it's fairly simple. You go into whatever Internet Explorer you have and go to Google, if this ever loads up. Well, I'll just tell you from here. What you do is you go to Google, and once you're in Google, oh, there you go. Dang it. Right as I was going to explain it. Okay, you know what? It's going really laggy. Just go into Google and type in IP, or click in the search bar, go to IP, or what's my IP, and or IP chicken, or there's multiple different websites. Just type in one of those in Google. Probably what's my IP. And then once you get it, click on the first website that shows up, and click on it, and at the top it'll say this IP is blah blah blah. What you do is you highlight it and just give it to your friends, and they can join it from there. And also, if you want to put a custom map on, once it's done running, see, as you see here, it's preparing spawn areas done. You can just exit out of that. And what you want to do is, if you want a map, go find a map that you want online and find it. It should be in a WinRAR file. Open it, drag it out on your desktop, then drag it into your server, right click, or no, not right click, sorry, copy this exactly how it is, then go into the server properties and rename where it says level name and it says world. Delete all of where it says world and paste it in as the server that, or the map that you want, and just do whatever else you want right here. And then what you can do is file, save it. I think I already did that, but exit out of there. And then the next time you start up the server, it will automatically go to that map. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, all the awesome stuff, and peace out, dog.